Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to set custom music as ringtone on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Now to do that, just open Google Play Store, then in the search bar, just search this and install this app on your smartphone. Then tap on open. From here, just tap on accept and continue. Then tap on not now and tap on the X icon over here. Now at the bottom of the screen, you will find the option of ringtones. Just tap on it, and from here you will be able to install custom music as a ringtone. For example, I will select this custom music. Now to set it as your ringtone, just tap on the download icon over here and select set ringtone. Then enable this toggle. After that, just go back, and as you can see, the selected ringtone has been downloaded on your smartphone. The next step is to go to your home screen and open settings. From here, tap on sounds and vibration, then tap on ringtone. And from here, you will be able to find the custom music which we have installed. Just select it to set it as your custom ringtone. Just like that. And this is how you can set custom music as ringtone on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.